actually videotaping?
Uh-huh.
Jessica, that's not fair.
Why isn't it fair?
Because I can't think.
You got drunk.
I know, but I never get drunk. It's okay.
Tell me a story, guys.
One time there was a hippopotamus.
No, a good story, man. A real story.
One time there was a hippopotamus. And it climbed up a tree. And it was going after this monkey with the banana. And then it ate the banana. And then the monkey was like, hey, you hippopotamus. You're working for TELUS now, and I don't like hippopotamus, so I'm going to beat your butt all the way down this tree. Jessica, why are you walking away from me? Jessica!
I'm gonna marry this boy, I swear. Matthew!
What'd you just say?
I'm gonna marry this boy, I swear.
Are you gonna marry him?
Look at this.
I believe so. Matthew,
And then the hippopotamus.
show me your belly, Matt.
It ate the hippo.
Matt, are you gonna marry Sarah one day?
Yes.
Yeah? When? Tomorrow?
No, you know I want to get married.
Yeah, and like when she's like mid-20s.
There you go. Look, he even knows my goals.
Look, and then the hippopotamus ate the. Wait. Once you get up.
Come here! That was so funny.
I'm so concerned.
I got him to come here and start chasing every spell. This is just a crazy night. And it's only the four of us. What are we gonna do?
We're just on chat roulette being innocent.
Chat roulette!
I'm sorry.
This is where seeing too many cocks on chat roulette gets you.